Hello, friends. This is Maria from the Cryptemic Academy. We are analyzing key market events, briefly and to the point. Let's go. Telecom data is becoming a new advertising tool. Out there, Media and Pulse Africa are launching a partnership to develop digital advertising in Africa. At the center is the Mobux trademark platform, which uses first-party data from telecom operators for targeted advertising. For brands, this is a new way to engage with audiences in a cookieless world, and for Africa, it is a step towards a more mature advertising infrastructure. XRP Ledger wants to protect itself from MEV. David Schwartz proposed a transaction reservation mechanism that could complicate front-running and sandwich attacks. The idea is to first secure the execution order and reveal the transaction details later. If the solution is implemented, XRPL could gain an embedded level of protection against manipulation at the transaction order level. SpaceX enters the Nasdaq-100. After the IPO under the ticker SPCX, Elon Musk's company is preparing to enter one of the key American indices. This creates additional demand from funds that track the Nasdaq-100. For the market, SpaceX is becoming not just an aerospace company, but a point of intersection for satellite infrastructure, AI, the stock market, and tokenized assets. Michael Burry is betting on Microsoft. The legendary investor has opened a long-term position in Microsoft shares through options. He believes that the current downturn is more related to technical pressure and large investments in AI infrastructure than to a weakening of the business. The market perceived this bet as a strong signal in favor of Microsoft's long-term potential. Fitness and DeFi are trying to merge again. Let's Burn and SumPlusReal want to connect workouts, AI personalization, NFTs, and DeFi rewards. The idea is to turn physical activity into a source of on-chain rewards. This is an interesting consumer use case for Web3, but the sustainability of such an economy still needs to be proven. Tether Gold receives DeFi utility. Tether and Ledin are expanding the use of XAUT. Holders of tokenized gold will be able to use it as collateral for loans. This transfers the classic gold-backed lending model into the crypto infrastructure. This is an important step for the RWA market, but users need to consider the risks of liquidation, loan terms, and counterparties. The meme coin, ANSEM, shows extreme growth. The token, created 67,700, the name of a popular Solana influencer, surged sharply amid community interest and expectations of airdrop mechanics. However, the high concentration of supply in one wallet makes the asset extremely risky. History reminds us again, meme coins can rise very quickly, but they can fall just as sharply. The US stock market is moving to a 24/5 mode. The NSCC is launching nearly round-the-clock clearing of American stocks on business days. This is an important step towards a more flexible infrastructure for traditional markets. Against the backdrop of the growth of digital assets, tokenization, and round-the-clock trading, such changes indicate that TradFi is gradually adapting to the new market reality. This is where our episode comes to an end. What do you think? Will XRP Ledger become one of the first major networks with real protection against MEV? Will tokenized gold and equity assets turn into a mass bridge between TradFi and DeFi? And will the growth of meme coins like ANSEM remain a community force, or will it again end in severe volatility? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you want to delve deeper into the crypto market, join the Cryptemic Academy. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next episode.